This tutorial will cover the submission process to support the Prescription Drug Price Transparency Act, specifically for public interest reporting for pharmacy benefit managers. PBMs must submit to MDH data for any prescription drug included in a notification to report issued to the PBM. Where a PBM has not acquired or dispensed a drug included in a notification to report during the 12-month period prior to the date of the notification, the PBM should provide zero values for all related data fields. PBMs can download/upload templates or manually key item data. Data is presented in the portal where it can be edited and certified. Let's review the submission process in the portal. This is the home page of the portal. Click the Login button to access your account. In the next screen, enter your username and password and click the Sign In button. From the home page, click Public Interest Reporting from the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner of the page. The available public interest reporting periods will be available. Select a reporting period to review the details. To view items for reporting, click the View Items button. Each NDC, drug description, and manufacturer name are listed. To download a reporting template, click the Download button and select Download Reporting Items. An Excel template will be available in your Downloads folder. Access the template to populate data. There are 3 tabs available. The Cover tab with overview information. An Items tab with NDCs pre-populated and placeholders for each data element. The file also includes a Help tab with each data element, including format, size, description, and an example. Once the template has been populated with data, it is ready to submit. Click the Create Batch button. Enter batch name, confirm the reporting period, select organizations for data being submitted, then select your Excel file for upload. Click the Create Batch button to process the file. If you have not acquired or dispensed a drug included in a notification to report during the 12-month period prior to the date of the notification, you should report zero values for all related data fields. To download a zero template, click the Download Report Zeros option to obtain a pre-populated template. The template will show zero values for all items in the spreadsheet. Use this template for your upload. To review items with validation warnings, click the Validation Warnings button. Each warning shows the validation that was applied and the description. Click the View button to address the validation. You can click the Edit button to review and edit data. Update values and click the Save Changes button. If you would like to clear the validation by adding a clarifying statement, simply click the checkbox, then the Clear Validation button, and enter a statement. All items that have complete data will appear under the Pending Certification section. Users have the option to add supporting documents before certifying. Click the checkbox for one or more item, then the Attach Documents button. Click the Choose File button, select your document, then click the Open button. Click the Save Attachments button to complete the process. Items not reported or not included in the Excel upload can be found by clicking the Not Reported button. From this page, users can perform tasks as outlined in this tutorial, including downloading report templates, attaching documents, reporting zero values, and adding missing NPTS statements. To add batch NPTS statements, click the Assign button. Select one or more item, select the data elements, then enter written statement. Click the Save Statement button to complete the process. To complete the certification process, click the Pending Certification button. Check the items you wish to certify, then the Certify Selected Items button. Alternatively, you can click the Certify All Items button to certify the list. Certified items will be moved to the Submitted section. Communications with MDH can be accessed from the home page dashboard, or by selecting Conversations from the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner of the page. To view a conversation, click on the View button. To add a reply, click on the Add Reply button, enter message, then click the Send Message button. Communications sent through the portal will generate an email notification to recipients informing them of a new message. This concludes the PBM Public Interest Reporting training. For additional information on the Public Interest Reporting Program, access the Help link in the upper right-hand corner of the main menu.